Hello everyone, I'm teacher Latoya from Woodrose International School. Our discussion for today is sound on a screen. We all know that we cannot see sounds, but we can use an instrument called an oscilloscope, which is used to show pictures of sound waves using lines called trace lines. An oscilloscope will pick up sound waves as they pass through them and display them on a digital screen. Before we can talk about what different sound waves look like on a screen, let us review what we learned about last week on the structure of a sound wave. We have the amplitude, which is the greatest distance an object moves from its rest position. We also have troughs, which are the lowest parts of your sound wave. Then you have got your crests. Your crest is the highest distance that your sound wave can move. We will not discuss wavelength because it is not needed for our lesson. So what does sound look like on an oscilloscope screen? When there is no sound being made, there will be a totally flat trace line, meaning that there are no vibrations passing through. When we have quiet sounds, the trace line has got short crests and small or low amplitude. So the trace line will have short crests, and as you can see here, the valleys are also very narrow or small. Loud sounds will tend to have taller crests and large amplitude. If you look at this diagram and compare it to the diagram of a quiet sound, you'll notice that the crests go much higher and also the valleys are much deeper compared to the narrow ones or shallow, which are found in quieter sounds. So loud sound means large amplitude and taller crests. Now let's discuss changing pitch. So how do you know that the sound is high pitched? It's very simple. If the sound waves are squished together like the one at the bottom, then you know that the pitch is much higher. And that also means that the frequency is also high. On the other hand, low-pitched sounds have got sound waves that are stretched out and have got low frequency, just like the diagram on top. As you can see, each of these sound waves are stretched out. They're not squished together like the ones at the bottom, and also the frequency is low. That gives you a low-pitched sound. Thank you for watching the video. Please join me next week as we discuss how we hear different sounds.